1, 2, 3.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Huh?
Fine.
How is Anita? What happened to the TV?
Austin broke the TV.
And where is he?
He's hiding somewhere.
Austin,
Yeah.
come. What happened? Yeah.
So sorry.
Hmm?
I'm sorry.
What happened?
See,
Hmm?
I wanted Anita's golden spoon,
Mm-hmm.
and then by mistake, I threw the blue one, and then by mistake,
You hit the TV.
it hit the middle, and then it kept on spreading every week.
Now, guys, okay. We'll discuss that at a different. Anita.
Yeah.
Okay, we will discuss that, Austin, later. Hold it. I see. Guys, where can I get a screen
Amazon.
of this?
Amazon.
It's a KDL 55W94A. It's a Sony Bravia 55-inch. Where can I get that screen? Austin, ask your fans to get a screen.
From Amazon.
No, ask who has it.
Please, can you get from Amazon or Jumia, please?
We get a screen so that I'm sure this can be repaired. So that
No,
but
it can't. It will be gone for 5 or 4 years, I think.
yes, please try to get for me this screen. 55-inch Sony. Yes, it's KDL 55W904A. No. Now you have broken and then you want to break it again. No. Let's first repair. Then you will have to work hard for some money. I'll give you some duties so that we can get for money to repair these. Okay? Okay?
You're the person who has the most money.
No, it is you two. I'll give you the work. Anita, I will be helping. So every day, what do? You have to do what? Which duties?
Wash.
Yes.
Cut.
You have to wash. You have to sweep the compound. Okay. Then you have to wash. You have to draw the curtains every day and return them in the evening. What else?
Washing the car.
No, you can't wash the car. You can't wash the car. Maybe you'll be with guidance. You'll be wash some dishes. Okay. Anita,
Yeah.
what will you do yourself to help your brother?
Tidy up the house.
Good.
And
When he messes, you tidy up the house.
yeah, with him.
Okay. What else?
And even with
So that we get money to repair the TV.
the TV.
Yes, because yeah.
Austin is already starting his duties.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm already starting my duty.
Yes, you wash the utensils. Yes, with soap. Okay. And you go and tidy up the house. Tidy up the house. Tidy up.
It's already tied up.
Yes, you tidy up. So, see ya, guys. If you have that screen, guys, the way you can repair it, or if you know someone, tag someone who can repair it. Or use that number 0713-587-664. You can WhatsApp us, even the cost. 0713-587-664. WhatsApp. Okay? So, thank you.